Good day, watchers. Welcome to Japan Time. I live in Japan and I make videos of watches. Sometimes new watches, but most of the times just watches I wanted to add to my collection. So welcome to the world of wonderful engineering of horology. Good day, watchers! It is springtime and of course, what is Japan famous for? There's so many cherry blossoms all over the country. And what better video to do than this gorgeous watch? First up, the unboxing. And I am even surprised that Grand Seiko included this aroma oil, which is a very nicely added touch. By the way, please follow and support my channel. Just one click on the subscribe button below. And here's my grandbaby. Wow, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna love this watch. This Grand Seiko SBGW289 epitomizes the essence of Japanese watchmaking excellence, blending meticulous craftsmanship with timeless design. As part of the Grand Seiko Heritage Collection, this watch pays homage to the Grand Seiko's rich history while embracing modern innovations. Renowned for its remarkable accuracy and stunning aesthetics, the SBGW289 stands as a testament to Grand Seiko's commitment to perfection. First up, the case back is crafted with that elegant Grand Seiko logo. It is a limited edition and it is numbered. So why this watch? I have been saving for over 2 years to get this watch because of the dial, the Sakura-Fubuki. The Sakura-Fubuki, or Cherry Blossom Blizzard, is a breathtaking natural phenomenon that occurs during the cherry blossom season in Japan, when gusts of wind swept through cherry blossom trees, causing the delicate petals to flutter and dance in the air like snowflakes. Grand Seiko pays homage to this mesmerizing natural phenomenon with this limited edition SBGW289 watch, featuring pink-white dial depending on the angle. This exquisite dial captures the essence of the cherry blossom blizzard, with delicate petals swirling gracefully against a backdrop of pristine white. This intricate Sakura-Fubuki motif is meticulously rendered, evoking a sense of movement and dynamism that brings this gorgeous dial to life. Just like the fleeting beauty of the cherry blossom blizzard, the Sakura-Fubuki dial is a reminder to cherish the moments of beauty and wonder in life. It serves as a poignant tribute to Japanese culture and aesthetics, celebrating the timeless allure of nature's most enchanting spectacle. I have been in Japan for more than 20 years and I have experienced this only once. It was a marvelous sight and it was ingrained in my brain. So when Grand Seiko made a dial about it, I just had to get it. Now back to the watch. Crafted with utmost attention to detail, this watch boasts a classic yet sophisticated design. The 37mm stainless steel case exudes elegance, featuring a polished finish that accentuates its luxurious appeal. The dial, adorned with the iconic Grand Seiko logo and distinctive dolphin hands, exudes refinement and clarity. Its simplicity is captivating, offering a harmonious blend of functionality and aesthetics. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating ensures excellent readability while enhancing durability. At the heart of this timepiece lies the caliber 9S64 manual winding movement, a testament to Grand Seiko's expertise in horology. Built with precision engineering and innovative technology, this movement delivers exceptional accuracy and reliability. With a power reserve of approximately 72 hours, it offers remarkable longevity, ensuring consistent performance over time. The exquisite finishing of the movement, including intricate Geneva stripes and blued screws, reflects the brand's dedication to excellence. It is equipped with the brand's renowned high-beat movement. This timepiece surpasses industry standards with its exceptional precision. Operating at a frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour, it ensures precise timekeeping, allowing the wearer to rely on its accuracy in any situation. Whether worn for daily wear or special occasions, this timepiece maintains impeccable timekeeping, embodying the pinnacle of horological excellence. Designed with comfort in mind, this Sakura watch sits elegantly on the wrist, thanks to its modest case size and ergonomic proportions. The stainless steel bracelet enhances wearability, offering a comfortable fit for extended periods. That is why no strap hunt for this video. However, some users may prepare additional strap options to suit different preferences and occasions. Despite this minor consideration, the overall wearing experience remains exceptionally pleasant, making it an ideal choice for daily wear. In summary, the Grand Seiko SBGW289 Sakura-Fubuki is a masterpiece of horological artistry, combining exquisite craftsmanship with unparalleled precision. From its timeless design to its exceptional movement, every aspect of this timepiece reflects the brand's commitment to perfection. Whether admired for its elegance or appreciated for its accuracy, the SBGW289 stands as a testament to Grand Seiko's legacy of excellence. For discerning watch enthusiasts seeking uncompromising quality, the Grand Seiko SBGW289 is a true embodiment of luxury and refinement. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to help out this channel. See you on the next watch.